Hello, I'm Dr. Nicole Francis.
And I'm Dr. Pamela Hall.
And this is Heal Yourself, Dammit. Today, we're going to talk about how you can work with us to get to the root of the problem. And we have some great things here today. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the things that I create in my lab in the field of herbology and plant-based medicine. And Dr. Pam is going to talk to you about
some acupressure points that you can apply pressure to at home, how to locate them, how to apply pressure to them to help with depression, help enhance your mood.
Yes. So today we're going to focus on depression. And we're happy to be here, but this is one of those topics that is a very serious topic. So we want to talk about some things that you can do to lighten your mood. We know that if we watch the news, there's so much that's happening that is centering or that is going back to the root of the problem being mental health. So there are some things that we can do in our own homes, in addition to working with our physician if we're being treated for depression or anxiety. But there's some things we have here today, and I want to focus a little bit on those things. One of the things that I have here is I have a tincture. And this is just a little bit. I make a large amount of the tincture, and this tincture is great for anxiety as well as high blood pressure. Some of the things that are in here that are important are ginger root. We also have cinnamon, and we have hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is great for lowering blood pressure. Ginger is here, and we have some other things that will help with your mood and with calming your nerves. We also have a tonic. Our tonic is important because this has apple cider vinegar. We've got apple cider vinegar. We also have, made a mistake.
Keep going.
We also have turmeric. We have cinnamon, ginger, bay leaf, honey, and coconut oil. Those are some of the things that will help you with being able to have the energy that you need to get through the day, weight loss, curbing your appetite, and also with balancing blood sugar levels. So this is something that we can make in our own kitchen at home. And this is something that I want to make sure you are taking on a regular basis. Also, one of the ingredients that we use that assists with muscle spasms. Sometimes we have anxiety, and a lot of times we endure pain where our muscles begin to spasm because of the anxiety, or in some cases we're dehydrated. But there are some natural herbs that we can take which don't always smell as great. I want to share that with Pam because I know how great it smells. That is valerian root. Valerian root is your friend. Now, valerian root needs to be nicely placed under the cabinet. If you have all of your nice, wonderful, wholesome, and sealed under the cabinet and sealed. But what you will find is that the manufacturers of valerian root often will add peppermint as if that's enough. So we want to talk today, and Dr. Pam is going to talk more about what we can do to heal ourselves with dealing with depression and anxiety.
This is Heal Yourself, Dammit. And we get to the root of the issue.
All right.
We don't just snip away at the branches and the leaves. We get to the root cause so that you can heal yourself everywhere. Yeah. Welcome back to Heal Yourself, Dammit. I'm Dr. Pamela Hall, and this is my colleague,
Dr. Nicole Francis.
And during this portion of the segment, we're going to talk about acupressure points that I'm going to show you how to locate on your body to help enhance your mood. The first point that I'm going to teach you how to find is called Place of 100 Meetings. It's located in the crown of your head. In acupuncture terms, it's known as Governor Vessel 20. To locate this point, Bend your ear at the tip of the apex of your ear. Put your thumb right there and just go straight up to the top of your head. Excellent. Let's do that again. Bend your ear right at the tip of the corner of the ear. Put your thumb there. Go straight up with your index finger to the crown of your head. This point is a very powerful point. It helps to connect you to your higher purpose. It helps to relieve stress. It helps to relieve anxiety. It helps with insomnia. It helps to enhance your mood. It helps to reconnect you to your higher purpose, to your higher or divine creator, however you define that to be. It helps you to get reconnected and grounded within yourself. The second point that I'm going to teach you how to locate is known as the third eye point, or yin tong. It's located if you follow the orbital bone and go right down into the center. You'll find this little groove right where those two bones meet, like a little V, right in between there. Yin tong. Now, personally, I call this the marijuana point. And let me tell you why. It gives you the same, I found that for me and my patients, it gives them the same relaxing feeling as if they had just taken 2 puffs off of some cannabis. So I call it the marijuana point. It's excellent for relieving stress. It's excellent. It's a point that's used for depression. It helps you to get grounded and centered. It also helps with insomnia. The third point that I want to show you how to find is known in acupuncture circles as the chicken soup.
That was only 1 puff. I was trying to get another one.
Trying to get a second hand.
I'm sorry, Dr. Hall. I digress. Go ahead.
The third point is known as the chicken soup point. In acupuncture, it's stomach 36. It's right on the side of the bone in your knee. If you come down from your patella and you find the bony part of your bone right on the side, come down to the side and just kind of dip a little bit. You feel that little, like a little groove, like your finger just falls right into it. Mm-hmm. That is called stomach 36. It's the chicken noodle soup point of the bone. This point is good for energizing the entire body. It's good for helping you to feel grounded. It's also used in depression. It also helps you to get grounded. And if you go, well, this is a little bonus point, go like about 1 inch or so down. And that's also a point that we use in our depression protocol in the office. So hopefully these points have helped you to be able to heal yourself. Damn it.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back. Thank you. Hello, we are back, and this is Nicole Francis and my partner, Dr.
Pamela Hall.
Yes, and so we're going to sum things up this evening. We've had a great show, a good segment talking about some things that can be done to assist you with depression, as well as anxiety. But what we're going to talk about are a few things that we're going to end our segment with. One has to do with oil, healing oils. This is a great oil that is a very rich oil. I could actually make about 3 different containers with this. This is fresh lavender. So these are the whole lavender flowers in here, along with some mustard seeds and a few black mustard seeds and yellow mustard seeds. We also have in here rose petals. So this is a good formula for an oil for massage, because it has a lot of things that would inspire love and quietness and peace. So this smells really good, and I'm going to let Dr. Pam smell this. This also has rosemary in it. Along with our extra virgin olive oil, we have some organic coconut oil. And that is a great moisturizer, as well as there are some protocols where coconut oil has healed inflammation, as well, of course, as dry skin. We've got rosemary oil as well as actual rosemary in there. And that, along with the lavender, a little bit of lemon, and always frankincense. I always include frankincense in my mixtures for oil. But this is a really good oil that will help you to relax, just by the aromatherapy of the oil, as well as if you do a nice massage with that. So we want to offer that to you. And this is something that you can make. And when you go to our website, you can find a lot of our recipes so that you can recreate these things at home. In addition to that, and we've talked about our tincture, www.healyourselfdammit.com. So in addition to the tincture and our tonic, we've got tea. So it's a lot of teas here, right? So we've got all these teas, and these are things that can help you relax. At night, what we have, in addition to this beautiful teacup that's brought to us by one of our sponsors, we're going to look at chamomile and lavender tea. You can also do just plain chamomile. Now, this is going to help to relax you. This is also great if you're having indigestion, if you're having lactose intolerance, you're dealing with some issues where your stomach needs to be calmed. That and ginger are some great things that'll help you. But in the evening, a little bit of chamomile and a little bit of lavender on your body as well as in your body, right? So we're going to take our tea and we're going to put some of this in our cup. And we're going to also take a cinnamon stick. So we've got the cinnamon stick, which is good for energizing, but cinnamon is also an anti-inflammatory agent. So if we have any inflammation, whether it's respiratory or you got a sore throat and things need to be calmed down, the cinnamon has anti-inflammatory agents in it. So we're going to put our cinnamon stick in here. And then the best thing, this is what makes me feel good because it reminds me of money for some reason. But bay leaves are good because not only are they healing, but they symbolize prosperity. So if we talk about some of our spiritual herbalism, we know bay leaf is a good one. But this one, you can just kind of drop it in here. You're going to add your water. And bay is another thing that helps with relaxing. It's going to relax you. It's going to calm your nerves. And we've got all the chemical components that we can talk about later that help this to happen. So we put our water on here. We use some honey. It would be great if you had organic honey. If you're dealing with allergies, honey from your neighborhood with bees that are locally pollinated honey is good for your allergies because that's going to expose you to some of the allergens that you're going to be dealing with in your neighborhood. So get yourself a little bit of honey, your water, and let that steep for a little while. Make it sweet to your taste. It would be great if you don't have any sugar in there because we're trying to stay away from sugar as much as we possibly can. But sweeten it with your honey, relax, and have a drink. And you will realize that once you get in bed or put your feet up with your favorite book, you'll forget about some of your problems. Now, what we want you to do is look at all of these different things that we can do so that you can heal yourself at home and work with us because we want to make sure we show you how to get to the root of the problem and we'll make sure we help you to heal yourself, damn it.
Thank you for joining us today on our segment of Heal Yourself, Damn It. We want to thank all of our sponsors. We want to thank you, the viewers, for tuning in. We appreciate you. We are because of you. And in the words of Rumi, just to leave you with this thought to ponder until our next show, the garden of life has no limits except within your mind.
That's wonderful. And so as a result of what Rumi said back in the 1300s, we want to say now, enjoy yourself, enjoy your tincture and your tonic and your tea. And this is to your good health. Well, we are trying our best to help you get to the root of the problem. Thank you. Have a little tonic. And go and lay down. Lay yourself down, damn it.
I'll be like, this ain't going down.
Lay yourself down. All right. I want you to put this oil on.
Slide to the
I want
left.
you to drink this tea.
Slide to the right.
Drink this tea.
You're crazy.
And then I want you to go to sleep.
And
I want to see you. I want you to suck on a cinnamon stick too. But I want you to heal yourself. Believe in yourself. Know that no one is more important than you. Take the time that you need to sit down and relax because we're too stressed out. All we do is work, work, work. In the words of Rihanna, I want you to stop working and twerking. I want you to drink to your health and to your wealth and focus on healing yourself. Damn it.
This is heal yourself, damn it. And we get to the root of the issue.
All right.
We don't just snip away at the branches and the leaves. We get to the root cause so that you can heal yourself everywhere. Heal yourself, damn it.